So, good morning. I'm here today to talk to you about UV Flexo Inks. Fujifilm UV Flexo Inks. Now, Fujifilm is about three core activities. It's technology, it's manufacturing and the quality that goes with that, and it is environmental sustainability. Now, what I'd like to do for you very quickly is just to talk to you a little bit about UV Flexo Inks and explain to you why and how these products encompass those three core values. So, if we can just look at some of the samples that we are showing to our customers here at Drupa 2012, I'll walk through a couple of those samples just to make it clear exactly what it is that we need. So, please. So if we look at this sample, can you zoom in on this? Are we okay with that? Great, that's wonderful. So if we look at this sample, it's a very simple label design. It's one that our great graphics team, design team have put together for the show. Simple design, complex products. So if we look first at the white. Now, many companies, many printers who wanted to print that white would have to use rotary screen. Rotary screen, don't misunderstand, it's a great process, but it is slow and it is expensive. So, we looked at Flexo and we thought there must be a technology solution. We identified the problem, the speed and the cost. There must be a technology solution to this problem. So we developed this, the high opacity Flexo White, available only from Fujifilm. Now, as you can see in this label, very opaque, so it's here, it's behind the mango, and it can also print fine detail text. Now we've printed this label honestly for the show, so we have very opaque areas here and we have fine detail here. If we were doing this live, we would, in a production job, we would probably put this label on a separate plate. We've not done that. We've used the same high volume analogs that we've used for the block areas here. Now what this white allows people to do is to produce these high quality labels at full machine speed with the costs of Flexo and the speed of Flexo. So, technology solution. Now, of course, it also has a role to play in environmental sustainability. Because the machine is running faster, it uses less power to produce the same number of images. And because it's a Flexo process, Flexo is a thin film process, it used less ink than you would if you were printing this same design rotary screen. So less power and less chemistry. Now what we then did is we thought, that's great, and we got a lot of interest from many customers in this technology. That's great, but there are some jobs, of course, you don't want white, or you cannot print white. So what we did is to take the technology that we used to develop the white, and we combined that with some pigment dispersion technology that we developed in our inkjet business. And we produced these high opacity colours. So, right from the front, we picked up the colour of the mango. We've got the bright red 485, something along those lines. Turn the label over and you can see that there's no backing white. So again, Flexo Inks, full machine speed, low ink film, high speed, low energy costs, technology and environmental sustainability. But over and above that, and please allow me to just take another one of my samples. This technology also enables us to do things that were not previously possible. So if you look at this wonderful castle image, the kanji here is printed with a high opacity colour. Now, in reality, it would be possible to print that with a backing white. Maybe, I don't know, a 0.3, 0.5 mil undercut, put a white behind it, that would be okay. But the logo that we have here, just above the kanji there, the logo that we have there
has a very fine 0.5mm circle around it, and it's very fine detail in its own right. It would not be possible to put a white behind that. And what we've done, as again as you can see, these are printed with the high opacity colours.